Cei Connah di llwyddo I gyrraedd rownd gyn derfynol Cwpan Nathaniel MG am y 7fed tro nôl yn ôl. Yn gobeithio ennill y gystadleuaeth am y 3ydd tro nôl yn ôl. Dyma Ryan Stratlys yn mentro lawr y dde yn codi'r bêl yn uchel I fewn i'r cwrs bach. Mae Nash yn penio. Y golwr King di dod amdani a wedi methu hi'n llwyr. Ar ôl 4 munud cyfle I dîm Neil Gibson. Mae Gibson yn anelu am ei dlws cyntaf fel rheolwr Cei Connah. Y Nomadiaid yn ail yn y gyngrair, ymlaen I 4edd rownd Cwpan Cymru. Tybed ydy'r treble di croesi meddwl Gibson eto. A dyma Bradley fewn i'r cwrs. Bradley, King yn arbed. A Ffynnon Taf yn clirio dim ond cyn belled â Callum Morris. Dyma Ryan Stratlys. Stratlys! Heibio'r nod, dyma Cei Connah yn curo ar y drws yn gynnar yma. John Disney I fewn i'r cwrt. Wild y flic ymlaen, dyma Callum Bradley yn hel y brwsion. Harry Franklin yn gymorth, Bradley yn dod yn ôl at Callum Morris. Amser gan Morris I godi'r bêl at Malkin. Y pened ymlaen, Wild amdani, y bêl yng nghefn y rhwydd. Mae'r chwiban yn cael ei chwythu. Trosedd gan Wild ar y golwr. Dyna'n llawer I weld yn ddi, ond ella bod Wild wedi arwain efo'i fraich un agos fan hyn. Nash. Franklin dod yn ôl y bêl yn ddim. Franklin, o mae hwnna'n llac yn syth at David Lyon. Mae Firth y bell oddi ar ei linell. Lyon yn ergydio gyntaf o'r postyn. So gyfle arall fan hyn I Ffynnon Taf. George Horan, y capten I radwy. Cyfle cynta'r gêm I Ffynnon Taf o'r ail haen, ond blerwch llwyr gan Harry Franklin. Firth mi nath o ddigon I rwystro David Lyon a'r postyn hefyd yn achub Cei Connah. Dihangfa i'r tîm o uwchgyfner Cymru. Bradley nôl at Firth. Pwysau ar Firth ac mae'n gig sal gan Andy Firth. Marcus Jones yn ei dwyni. David Lyon unwaith eto'r ergydio. Firth yn arbed gyda'i draed. Firth yn achub Cei Connah, ond I gig wael o arweiniodd at y cyfle yn y lle cynta. Ac yn hwyr yn yr hanner cynta yma, mae Ffynnon Taf wedi cael 2 gyfle gwirioneddol. Franklin. Disney. Nath ei ddal yn fanna gan David Lyon. Fydd hi'n gerdyn melyn gan Hugh Jones I Lyon. Yn siŵr os oedd hi'n heiddi melyn chwaith. Stratlys nôl at Firth. Y gic uchel gan y golwr I gyfeiriad George Horan am ddiffyn wedi methu honna. Horan ymlaen, mae Wild yn tynnu'r bêl yn ôl. Pwy sy'n na? Neb ar hyn o bryd, allan mae'n dod at Callum Bradley. Bradley yn dawnsio sgiliau gan Bradley yn wych. Bradley yn codi'r bêl, gyfeiriad Nash! Ac Edward King a dwylo diolchgar yn cydio'n dyn yn y bêl na. Disney at Morris. Cei Connah eisiau sticuro'r seitiau newydd yn y gystadleuaeth yma ac yn teimlo felly bod nhw'n heiddi lle yn y rownd derfynol os allan nhw giro Ffynnon Taf. Gwych gan Bradley unwaith eto yn tynnu'r bêl yn ôl. Bradley fewn i'r cwrt, y croeso'n isel! A wedi 55 o funudau, mae Cei Connah wedi mynd ar y blaen. Callum Bradley ar gwaith creu, fo sydd I serenu hyd yma. A falle bod Michael Wild wedi cael y cyffyrddiad lli ar y llinell. Y Nomadiaid ar y blaen. Sefyd at Marcus Jones, o'na lawio gan Marcus Jones, chwaraewch ymlaen. Mae dde'r dyfarnwr Hugh Jones y croesiad I fewn i'r cwrt. Ethan Can yn gwasgu ergyd ar y targed. Ond tas o honna di mynd I mewn, so Cei Connah ddim yn hapus, oedd hi'n edrych fel bod Marcus Jones wedi llawio'r bêl. Digon o le gan Ian Martins yng nghanol cae. Mae Sam Webber yn cynnig hun allan ar y chwith. Pas dda, Webber cyfle groesi'r y cynnig cynta. Webber yn penderfynu arafu pethau. Ond y bêl yn darganfod Ethan Can yn y diwedd. Can yn troi, Can yn ergydio. Firth yn ymestyn ac yn arbed. Y bygythiad dal yno, ond y peniad allan am dafliad. O fe gafodd Ethan Can ormod o amser o lawer I allu troi a gwasgu ergyd I mewn fan hyn. A Firth yn arbed yn wych. O ran at Franklin. Franklin yn gryf yn cael ei yrru am yn ôl. Franklin, ond mi gath o'i ddal gan David Lyon. Di Neil Gibson ddim yn hapus efo'r dacl yna. Mae Cheryl Foster yn cael gair gyda Hugh Jones fan hyn. David Lyon, mae eisiau sti gweld un cerdyn melyn. Ac mae'n edrych fel bod Hugh Jones yn mynd i'w boced ydi mae o. Ail gerdyn melyn i David Lyon. A mae Ffynnon Taf o'r ail haen i lawr i 10 gyda 5 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. Mae David Lyon, mi gafodd o 2 gyfle da ar ddiwedd yr hanner cyntaf. 2 gerdyn melyn yn yr ail hanner. Callum Morris. Morris yn mentro lawr y dde. Morris yn dal i fynd. Di creu lle iddo fo hun i groesi. A Michael Wilde yn cyrraedd. Ac yn y funud ola mae Michael Wilde wedi sicrhau bod Cei Connah o'r uwch gyngrair am gamu ymlaen i rownd derfynol Cwpan Nathaniel MG. Cei Connah 2, Ffynnon Taf dim.
Neil, Nathaniel Cup finalists, how's that sound?
Yeah, it sounds really good. You know, obviously we're the holders, you know, because the lads won it last season. And it was something that once we got through the first round against TNS and you overcome TNS, you know, you really want to go as far as you can in the trophy. And you know, I thought that we had to work extremely hard to get our victory today. You know, I've got to give Tafswell an enormous amount of credit. I said to Craig at the end of the game, I thought his players and, you know, and staff were a credit to the football club. They made us work really, really hard for it. You know, from our selfish point of view, I was disappointed that we didn't take our chances early on in cup fixtures against teams from a lower opposition in terms of the league. You want to take chances early and make the game as easy as you can for yourself, and we didn't do that. And ultimately, it's been a fight all the way till the end.
Craig, it's a disappointing result, but the last thing you'll be is disappointed with your players today.
Yeah, to be fair, the boys put an absolute shift in. You know, we knew coming up here would be a tough ask for, you know, anyone. They haven't lost for a long time up here, but the boys put one hell of a shift in, and we had opportunities to, you know, to win the game.
Mike, another Nathaniel Cup final, pleased?
Very pleased, yeah. We always knew it was going to be tough, I think, today. It's semi-final, so you've got to be a good team to get into the semi-final, so we took nothing for granted, but I thought we applied ourselves really well. I thought they done really well as well. They were staying in the game for long periods of time, and we had to be patient, and then finally our goal came.
How important was that first goal?
It always is in a semi-final in particular. I think it just gives you that little bit of confidence, breathing space, and especially when conditions are tough on the pitch and you come up against a difficult side as well. So you want to get that first goal, but we always knew even with one goal, it's always difficult as well. So I think when I've popped up and scored the second as well, it just obviously settles things down even more.
Yeah, you couldn't rest easy until that second goal went in, could you? Yeah,
and again, so you got to give them credit. You know, they come up with a little bit of a game plan. And it was working, although we dominated possession of the ball and created chances. It's always sometimes a little bit percentage-wise when the ball goes into the box in these conditions, so you're hoping that something falls to you nice and early in a game, but it sometimes doesn't work like that.
You know, I don't like to normally single players out, but I thought Callum Brackley was absolutely magnificent today, and he was a real threat, and he has been for us for a number of weeks. So I was pleased that if he did get the last touch on his shot, I was pleased that he scored as well as Wildy today.
And now it looks like he'll play Bala in the final. It's going to be a good game.
Yeah, it will be, and you know, and obviously Bala and ourselves will be two clubs that at the start of the season will want to try and compete for trophies and to try and compete for silverware. So, you know, if you're going to have to beat TNS and Bala to win a trophy, we'll fully deserve it, and all the other teams that we played along the way. So we'll put that on the back burner for now. We'll focus back on Monday night in training, ready for Airbus on Friday, and we'll have a nice cup final to look forward to.